Wall Street 30 day trade setup for today. So yesterday we did get going as expected, and then it got a little bit volatile as the noise started coming through for the afternoon session. So I think the first critical thing to understand is that this level here of 25,976 has held on the daily. So we got above it, we closed above it. We're sort of moving down at the moment. Yeah, but it is the Asian session, so I'm not going to read too much into that at the moment. And if we just come down to lower time frames, you'll see a lot of confusion. So we had this strong rally the day before, and then all this confusion. So big move down, and that's just basically the Fed telling us that the economy is going to take a long time to recover. The previous news was around positive news around the virus, and also good data that came out. Retail sales were up. There was a lot of positive news that came through, and then obviously the Fed just dampened everything and came up with some noise around the economy, and of course everybody panicked for a bit. And then the guys that were climbing in here, they just climbed back in and held their longs. So anyway, that's the situation we're at the moment, and I think if you just put this level in right here, you'll see that's pretty important, and the swing high here is the other area. So I think if you look at that just off the cuff, you'll see we are in the middle of two big levels. Okay, so what are we expecting? So you can see yesterday, big up, big down, and then just sideways, confusion, and the open has been red at the moment. I don't even know what futures are down at the moment. Give me a sec, I'll tell you. So the Dow futures is down 0.5% right now, after finishing up 2% yesterday. So anyway, we had a green day. Ultimately, we had a green day, so I'm expecting this thing to continue. I think this consolidation here is just pre-market jitters, and I'm still expecting us to tag 27,364. Okay, so that's pretty much my view on this at the moment. How to trade it, as far as I'm concerned, we need a break. Well, technically we have had a retest here. Okay, so we've had a retest of this neckline, which was successful. So you should be entering above this bar, which is above this level right now. So we're looking for a break above 26,396. Your stop is going to be down here below 25,849. So you're looking for a break and retest of this area, and then you want to take profit 27,364. You may just want to hold a smaller position. Okay, because if we do get through, let's put this level here. So basically you want to sort of take half profit here, keep some in, move a protective stop up, because if we do get through the highs here of 27,645, there is a very strong possibility that the next level will get tagged, which is right there, which is 28,200, and then you have this gap higher up as well. Okay, so yeah, so I think for me, as soon as this consolidation has finished, which that's pretty much what this is right now, which is when what will dictate it being finished is basically a close above 26,396, and then a pullback, and then a continuation to the upside. So that's what we're looking for. I'm not looking at shorts, not interested in shorting this at the moment. Trend is very strong to the upside. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. Even with this pullback, the trend is up. There's our trend line. Okay, so we're going to have to drop below the swing low for that trend to change. Okay, so anyway guys, that's my view on the DAX, on the Dow for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.